ஒரே டிசைன் வந்து ஒரே டிசைன் தான் ஒரே டிசைன் தான். இது வந்து ஸ்டெட் வரும். இது வைக்கட்டுங்களா? இது முத்துல வேற ஏதாவது காட்டுங்களா? சின்ன பார்த்துக்கலாம். இது வைக்கலன்னா
again back to bank. We can hear you nicely. Yeah, Sumati ma'am. Welcome, welcome. Hi Ranjini ma'am. Welcome. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, good afternoon ma'am. Shaila ma'am, good noon. Jyoti ma'am, Jyoti Lakshmi ma'am, good afternoon. Thanks for joining. Ma'am, your voice is hearing, no problem. Yeah, Devi. Okay, now it's here. Now it's clear for you, dearies. Is it clear? Is it clear for you now, dearies? Who all joined? Can you please give me a hi message here? Then only I can. Then I can speak now. Hi Sujita, good afternoon. Hemalata ma'am, good afternoon. Kaushik Kapala, welcome. Thanks for joining, dearies. Yeah, Jyoti Lakshmi ma'am, it's clear. Yes, Sumati ma'am. So this is a beautiful Bluetooth Jimki. This is one more design. So totally I have shown four Bluetooth designs today. And this is priced for rupees 1120 rupees ma'am. 1120 for this piece. 1120. Vidya Rajkumar, welcome. Geeta Ganapati ma'am, good afternoon. Yeah, Kavita, thank you for joining. Nirmala ma'am, yeah, it's very nice Nirmala ma'am. Superb earrings for this. Swarna, hi, it's clear. Yeah, dearies. Thank you, thank you. Prabha, hi, welcome Prabha. Thank you, dearies. Hi Suma ma'am, welcome. So like this it will be coming. It's this is price for 1120, dearies. I'll show in the back camera. You can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. Awesome earrings. Thank you Nimani ma'am. Thank you so much. So I'll show the earrings. Hi Suma, good afternoon Suma. So this is the earrings. 1120 ma. 1120 rupees for this piece. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. 1120 ma. 1120. யாரையாவது போட சொல்லவும். போட்டுட்டேன் மேடம். ஒன்னு போட்டுட்டேன். ஒன்னு தான் கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருந்துச்சு. பாருங்க போட்டுட்டேன். 1120 ma. 1120. So this is also very beautiful. Yeah, Nirmala ma'am, thank you. Shanti ma'am, good noon. Thanks for joining. Ramya, hi, welcome. So lovely, lovely earrings you will be getting for this today's live, ma'am. Thank you for your lovely heartens, dearies. Thank you so much. And next, one more beautiful piece. And this is also very cute peacock earrings you will be getting. நல்ல ஒரு அழகான ஒரு bend மாதிரி கொடுத்த peacock இருக்கு. It's a beautiful feathers. And this is price for 600 rupees, dearies. Hi Swarna, welcome Swarna. And see this piece. This is for 600 rupees, dearies. Only 600 rupees. This is also very beautiful pearl earrings. Hi Suguna ma'am, thank you so much. Just 600 rupees for this piece also. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. Beautiful. Thank you Sumati ma'am. All are lovely earrings today ma'am. Awesome pieces for today's live. 600 rupees for this piece. And next also you will be getting a very beautiful Bluetooth Jimki. So this is also with the peacock. இது ஒரு அழகான சுத்து மாட்டில் மாதிரி வரும். This is price for 1190, 1190 rupees. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Thank you so much, Sharani. So I will wear and show this piece also. It's a lovely Bluetooth Jimkis, ma'am. So beautiful designs we have given today for the Bluetooth. So all of it budget friendly. I have given each and every piece. It's very budget friendly. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number, ma'am. Okay. So it's very easy to wear also, ma'am. நீங்களே போட்டுக்கலாம். அவ்வளோ அழகா இருக்கும். See this piece. Wow. How it is, ma'am? எப்படி இருக்கு? It's a very nice, beautiful Bluetooth Jimki. And this is priced for 1190 dearies, 1190 rupees for this piece. How cute it looks. Hi Soni Gayatri, welcome dear. Thanks for joining. So this is the piece. Vashu, hi, welcome. Wow, looking. Thank you, Devi. Meena ma'am, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's an awesome dearies. Very, very awesome piece. 1190. Adi, Dhool. Thank you, Vashu. Hi, Manasa ma'am. Welcome. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining. Yeah, Reena. It's very lovely earrings. Beautiful earrings for today. Ma'am, my daughter Pooja watch live. A big fan of you. Oh, thank you, Pooja. Vandana, hi, welcome, ma. Welcome. So next I'm going to show very, very budget friendly pendant sets with chains, ma'am. Chain or pendant set mein irukku. So with the full set, the price I will reveal the price also for this. And this full set will be priced only for 600 rupees, dearies. Only for 600 rupees for this pendant, chain and earrings. Girja ma'am, hi. Neetu, hi. Welcome. So this is the pendant and chain. I have a lovely earrings of this. This is green color. In each and every design, I have 4 color combinations. All the 4 colors are dazzling. Just 600 rupees for this pendant and chain, dearies. So this is the earrings for this. Only 600 rupees. Chain, ball chain varum. Ball chain, 1 pendant and 1 earrings. All together 600 rupees. I'll show all the colors in this. You can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number. 7397739 I have pinned the number also. You can go to that. Okay. So this is a lovely floral. There is no idols in this. Full of florals you will be getting. 1 colorful stone only will be given in the center part. I'll show all the colors in that. Okay. So I have white in this. It's a beautiful white. I have Kempu in this. It's a lovely Kempu. Kavita ma'am, just 600 rupees ma'am. 600 rupees da varudhu. Only 600. This is Kempu and this is with 3 colors I have. One is full green, one is full red and one is full white. So I have 3 colors. Komala ma'am, good afternoon. Thanks for joining. All the 3 colors are dazzling. Any take 600 rupees, dearies, in this. This is 600, this is 600 and this is 600. Just 600 rupees for this pieces. Yeah, I'll show in back camera, Sangeeta. One sec. So this is red color and I have in this white in this. And this is the earrings for this. Yeah, it's chain detachable only, ma'am. Detachable chain da. With the chain only, I'm telling the price, Vasantamma. Chain or the price solra. 600 rupees da varudhu. Just 600 rupees for this. Yeah, Nirja. It's a second live. So voice was mismatching. Posting poduma with very beautiful white color combination, dearies. White color stone, lovely piece. 600 rupees for this piece, ma. 600 rupees da varudhu. Just 600. And one more pattern, other pattern I'm going to show. That is also very beautiful design. And idoda price me solidren. So this is one design, dearies. Other design. This is with red color I have. And I have in this colors also lots of colors. This is green. And this is price for rupees 600 rupees. And this is ruby green. And I have full white in this. So 4 colors I have in this, dearies. White, ruby green, ruby and full green. I have these much colors in this. Hi Maria ma'am, welcome. Lakshmi ma'am, hi. Meenakshi ma'am, hi, welcome. And this is the earrings for this. 600 rupees, dearies. Yarka gift pannuna kuda neenga gift pannala. Avlo alaga irukum indha pieces ella. Only 600. I have full white, full red, full green and red and green. Hi Renji, welcome. Ilaya ma'am, hi, welcome. Good afternoon. Apurva, hi, welcome. Good afternoon da. Kirti Suji, welcome. So this is the earrings. Cute earrings you will be getting with this. Just 600 rupees. Ma'am, Saturday live studs are not upload the WhatsApp status. I want some studs in that session. Ramya, we have posted all the items in Facebook. Ramya, please go through. I have posted all the studs in the Facebook and Instagram. You can go through and you can order it, Ramya. Okay. So this is a chain you will be getting. Simple look you will be getting for all the sarees. So cotton sarees ku potla neenga ellathukkume idu use pannalam madam. Avlo alaga irukku. Thin model of chain you will be getting. Only just for only 600 rupees for this piece. 600 rupees da varudhu. Very cute pieces, dearies. Chitti, ஒரு நிமிஷம் அந்த ட்ரே கொடுங்க. இதெல்லாம் கொடுத்துட்டு வந்துருங்களா? இதெல்லாம் போஸ்ட் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. அதை எடுத்துருங்க. இதெல்லாமே போஸ்டிங் போட சொல்லுங்க. Yeah, Ramya, you can go through the Facebook and you can WhatsApp, okay? So next is a very lovely design. Totally all budget pieces. Yeah, ma'am. இன்னைக்கு எல்லாமே budget friendly pieces தான் காட்டிட்டு இருக்கேன். ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு pieces எல்லாம். Don't miss it. Yes, Gayatri. Yeah, you can attach Vasantama crystals நீங்க attach பண்ணிக்கலாம். So see, this is also very lovely. It's a beautiful rose petals. அழகான rose petal pendant and you have a lovely earrings also for this. Superb earrings. And this is the pendant and earrings is also very cute in this. You'll be having a round pattern of earrings. And this is price for 730 rupees, dearies. 730. 730. Hi Gomati, welcome. Thanks for joining, dearies. Ama, Purva, this is a network issue. Some network issues are here, I think so. So they can't hear the voice itself. Ma'am, big round earrings irukka. கோமதி இன்னைக்கு லைவ்ல காமிச்சிருக்கேன்டா, முன்னாடி லைவ்ல காமிச்சிருக்கேன். நான் போஸ்ட் பண்றேன் கோமதி இன்னைக்கு எல்லாமே. பிக் ரவுண்ட் இயரிங்ஸ் எல்லாம் நிறைய இருக்கு. ஐ வில் போஸ்ட் இட், ஓகே? வைஷு, குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் வைஷு. So this is for 730 rupees, dearies. 730. I have colors in this. I'll show all the colors. Supera. Thank you, dear. So அதிலே பாத்தீங்கன்னா green இருக்கு. We have one green and I have white also in this. Good afternoon, Mallishwari ma'am. Very good afternoon. அதிலே white. So 3 colors I have. Full red irukku, full green irukku, full white me irukku. So which color you need, you can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number 73977399200 for all your bookings. How is it, dearies? Eppadi irukku? After a long time I'm watching live. Ama madam, ningla romba naal aachu neenga vandu live ku. Okay Gomati. Swarnamba ma'am, welcome. So only for 730 rupees ma'am. Chain, earrings, pendant ella sethume 730 rupees da varudhu. Just 730. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number, dearies. So this will be the height you will be getting with the 20 inches height you will be getting with this. If you want, you can adjust the links also. There to 4 to 5 links are there. Neenga links kuda adjust panikalam. Hi Uma ma'am, welcome. Hi Aishwarya, welcome. Good afternoon da. So this is the last design for today's live, dearies, and this is with a beautiful chain model And this is also with the florals with kempu. This is with red and green. And this is priced for 560 rupees ma. 560. 560. When will I receive the item? You have been received the tracking ID also, Aishwarya. So you can track and see, okay? Yeah, Madhu, இன்னைக்கு எல்லாமே budget friendly collections தான் கலக்குறோம் இல்ல இன்னைக்கு லைவ்ல. சூப்பரா இருக்கும் இன்னைக்கு collections எல்லாமே அவ்வளவு அட்டகாசமா இருக்கு. ஒவ்வொரு collectionமே. Beautiful collections today. So this is also very unique piece and earrings also very different in this. Just for 560 rupees dearies. 560 for this piece. How is this? In this also I have 4 color combinations ma. 4 color mein superb irukku. Still I didn't receive any IDs to see. Aishwarya, I will tell her to send it, Aishwarya. So no staffs today. I have this set ma'am, simply superb. Yeah, Devi ma'am, thank you. Just for 560 dearies, only 560 rupees for this piece. And see this piece. In this also I have 4 colors. I have full kempu in this. I have full white in this. Simple and unique collections. Thank you, ma'am. And I have full green also in this. So these are the color combinations. I have white, full red, full green. Superb, ma'am. Budget friendly collections. Thank you so much. Yeah, Kayal. Krisha, welcome. Thank you so much, Krisha. And this is green. So 4 colors. Supera, supera. Thank you, dearies. Thank you. Just for 560 rupees, dearies. 560 ரூபா தான் வருது. டக்கு 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 டக்குன்னு screenshot எடுத்து WhatsApp பண்ணிக்கோங்க. So we have telecasted 3 lives. இன்னைக்கு 3 லைவா கட்டை வந்திருக்கு. 3 லைவ்மே பாருங்க நிறைய collections post பண்ணிருக்கேன் 3 லைவ்லயுமே. So all are beautiful collections. We can't miss any of the collections, ma'am. So இன்னைக்கு வந்து pearl chokers காமிச்சிருக்கேன், golden color chokers காமிச்சிருக்கேன். gold choker பாத்தீங்கன்னா எல்லாமே 460, 560, 690 color chokers காமிச்சிருக்கேன். So don't miss the live. I will be posting all the pieces in Facebook and Instagram. Don't miss it. Take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number for all your bookings. 73977399200 for all your bookings. This is signing off from Lekha Morgan from GJ Creations. See you on next live tomorrow afternoon 12 p.m. Bye bye.